We've worked with CBORD for over 25 years, and we can rely on them to be responsive and solution-driven to any problems that we may have.
A few years ago, we had the opportunity to better understand the priorities that our students wanted us to address. They want to live and study in an environment that is safe and secure. And so that's where our partnership with CBORD is so important.
When CBORD came on board, it was a blessing. We had buildings that were 100 years old, and we had some that were brand new. Years ago, the officers would have to manually go around and lock all these doors. It took a lot of manpower and a lot of time. With CBORD in place, we can lock it with a click of a mouse, and it relieves the officers so they can go out and they can do patrol, and so it gives them more freedom to make the campus a lot safer.
We are providing security with accessibility. That has been the #1 selling point. By giving our art students 24-hour access to our fine arts building, but locking the doors to the general public, it has saved volumes of man-hours on our campus security. Because we are able to control a student's access with their card credentials, we can audit any activity taking place by the card user.
Students can benefit from standardizations and single points of access because they have one ID card that can be used on all 3 campuses for meals, for library checkout, for entry access into the residence halls, classrooms, eventually classroom attendance. The data is in one place. Students don't have to exist in different databases that get out of date quickly.
It's important for our students to have the same experience as they move between campuses because they feel more comfortable with their surroundings, with the staff, and with the services we provide if they know exactly where to go to get them. They're all the same, whether you're on the Houston campus, Dallas campus, or Denton campus. We have mobile apps that are available for the students. We have satellite offices on each of the campuses that all interface with our CBORD systems. And after you learn one CBORD system, you pretty much know them all. They all very much work the same way, and once they're integrated together, they start working in harmony, and it's very convenient and very efficient in a large campus environment. All these platforms are talking to one another, and they're all communicating, and it creates an environment where it is all encompassing. The capability of this system is endless. The integration of different sensors, whether they're cash drawer bill traps, panic buttons, motion detects, glass breaks, it's an endless list of capability for this system. And it's so easy to integrate, it's very, very simple.
It's the building of relationships, I think, that sets CBORD apart from other companies.